It's another day to go up the mountain to pick up fungi. See if you can find it. I saw it anyway. Come and find one. Chubby Boletus. No matter how hidden it is, it can't escape my eyes. This one is really big. It's delicious at a glance. Take a closer look. Next to it is another one, this boutique. Turn around. Found another flower. Too bad it's a little old. If you are too old, you can only stew mushrooms with chicken. After drying, a pair of twins. Take a closer look. Triplets. Show only a little bit. Can't escape my golden eye. It's hard to escape. All the elbows are pinched. I'm not finished yet. Found 2 more flowers. The quality of these 2 flowers is really good. Hey, what kind of fairy place is this? You can find the fungus after walking a dozen steps. I feel like I can't pick it up at all. Hello, brothers? Let's go together. How comfortable. I don't even like the old boutique. Now only pick up high-quality products. Big and fat. Brothers again. Hello, brothers. Go big and small together. Go home and enjoy yourself. Hands are soft. Got crushed by these nasty branches. Stop it from growing. Lucky to meet me. Let me save you. One is bigger than the other. Big and fat. Another one. So cool. Enjoyable. Do you have any friends who want to pick up fungi with me? You can leave a message at the bottom of the video. Maybe I can take you to pick it up. Wow, this little fat guy. White and tender mushroom meat. These 2 flowers are getting old. But I still like you guys. After all, resources like this are rare. Although a little older, the taste is still quite fragrant after drying. The sky is another flower. Hey, I don't want to pick it up. Hands are soft. Boutique of boutique. One is of better quality than the other. Is this comfortable? There are some fungi hiding under the leaves. Not easy to find. Without decades of skill, it's really not. Can find them. Another one. I've been there. Turned back again. Gotta take you all home. It seems that the bacterial cap was eaten by some insects. It doesn't affect my liking for you. Still have to pick up this kind of boutique goods. That's my ultimate goal today. Boutique Kudu. This is too old. It's all cracked. I don't want it anymore. I'm not finished. It takes a couple of steps to find the fungus. This resource must not be known to others. Otherwise, it will collapse. Wow. It was a blast. This moment. I can't describe my feelings in words. You see, it's 3 flowers at will. Friends, today I went up the mountain to pick mushrooms again. Walked for an hour. It's great to come. We found a huge nest of bolitas, my darling. Oh, that's outrageous. For brothers. Ha ha ha, exaggerated. I can't put it down. It seems that I will have enough to eat in this forest again today. Bean mushrooms say that the more stupid people are, the easier it is to evolve into bean mushrooms. This is just playing the piano. Such a big bolitas. This is a good boutique. Boutique little darling. The voice just fell. Found a few more flowers ahead. Is this a high-quality product? Boutique Duo. It's delicious to fry like this. Drooling. There are several more flowers. This environment is a fairy place to pick up fungi. You can see the fungus at a glance, and it feels like I can't pick it up at all. You can find the fungus after walking a dozen steps. Once found, it's a big nest. 2 more flowers. Wow! Enjoyable. It was amazing. Isn't it just any fun? Ha ha ha, awesome. Clays. This production is so good. Born under the green south. It's an orchid. You look fat. The more you watch it, the more you like it. This one is not bad either. All big fat people. Ho ho. Did you see that? 2 more flowers. Jesus Christ. What kind of fairy place is this? Just words. Come today and I won't be able to find this place tomorrow. I have a bad memory in the forest again. Hey. Next time, bring someone to pick it up with me. Find someone with a good memory. That's not fun. 3 more flowers. Wow. Is this comfortable? Chubby? The fatter, the more you like it. No matter how hidden it is, it can't escape my palm. Easy to handle. Hey, there's another one. Comrades, how can there be so many bullies? Oh my god. Oh. It's exaggerated. It's exaggerated. Crazy home. Never tell anyone about a place like this. Otherwise, the mountains are full of people. Wait for me to cut it for 2 or 3 years. Oh, it's so big. Looks like no, it was everywhere. If you can't cut it, you can't cut it at all. I find I'm a little nervous. Cut slowly. You can pick 7 or 8 flowers at will. There are still many small ones that have not been cut. It's too hidden, just don't want it. Mainly because they haven't grown up yet. Look, there's another one. Ouch. This one is broken. No more like this. Pick it up and get addicted to it. Switch to another mountain. I didn't expect a lot of bolitas to come up. This species is different from the mountain just now. This is the red-capped milk bolitas. Do you see it? The lid is red, but also very fat. Chubby. I'm so fat, I can't put it down. Too many people are ridiculous. Like this flavus. Estimated decades, no one has come here to pick up fungi. And it grows and grows. If people often come here to pick up fungi, bolitas can't reproduce so much. Take a look. I found such a small one. I can't do it myself if I don't admire it. I have a piercing eye. One pick is for flowers. The big fat man is another one. Hey, hey. It's laborious, yeah. 5 flowers are easy to pinch. Changed environment. Bolitas again. This is truly a mountain. If you can't pick it up, you can't pick it up at all. Go home and dry it all. Stew chicken with mushrooms. Because bolitas, like this one, is so old. It doesn't taste good when it's completely open. I can't pick it up at all. Chubby triplets. My darling. Another fairy place. Walked for almost 2 hours to find this place. As soon as the result comes, fatigue everywhere. Bolitas, chubby. Look carefully. Bolitas can easily hide under the leaves. It's just a little eye test. Take a look. 2 or 3 more. Let's get this one up first. Some are too small, hidden under the leaves. You can't see them without the eye of Venus. 3 chubby flowers. Yo! This breed is different from the one just now. This is Bolitas rubrum. It's all delicious. How comfortable is this? There's another one. The sun cracked the caps. Still, it's a boutique. Yo, too many. Look at my darling. Who will send me a basket? That's too much. Wow. This moment. I can't describe how I feel in words. I only brought a small bucket. It is estimated that it will be filled in a while. Then again, You can't find the location I told you. The steep mountain, the old forest, no signal again. How can you find it? It's just a bunch. Please forgive my dream mushrooms. That was a blast. Today, this is all boutique. I will never let any fish slip through the net. Chubby ones like this are my favorite. Today, I won't pick up long open ones. I will pick up all the boutique guduo. There are two varieties of bolitas here. One is white-capped bolitas. One is the red-capped bolitas. Have a look. Look again. It's a wow. It was a blast. Go up the mountain to pick mushrooms under the scorching sun, although it is hard. But as long as you find the colony, there will be endless mushrooms. But it's a bit far. It takes 2 hours to walk there. Then go down the mountain. Wow, 3 chubby guys. Can't put it down. Red bolitas, again. Soaking camel head. Wow, cool. Ooh. These two are high quality at a glance. I'd say it's a boutique. Hey, better come early than by chance. Just in time. It's all fine porcini today. There are no elders. Well, 3 little chubbies. Take away. Is this comfortable? So beautiful, so fat. Like this. I can only sell it for 20 or 30 USD when I go home. Hey, it's not very expensive. But picking up fungi is mainly for entertainment. Idle at home is also idle. Why don't you take a walk up the mountain? Take a walk in the woods. Bolitas everywhere. As long as you are willing to find. It is estimated that it is no problem to get 100 or 200 catties a day. However, I still feel a little tired. Mainly going up the mountain alone. In case of encountering a beast. Encounter a bear or wolf. That's trouble. It almost broke. It was taken away by a little fat man like me. Pinch it all. There's another one. Almost flew away. Come and get 5 flowers. It seems that this bacterial nest is quite large. This is so sturdy. Hey. Hands are soft. Someone help me with the bucket. Pick up the fungus. Aren't you at a loss, right? I am fat red. The more you watch it, the more you like it. Joe. Why do you see so many? How many twins are this? Good triplets. Best, oh my god. Can't bear to stomp it away. But if I don't step on it, it will age and break here. So I decided to take it home. Barely keep it. Hey, I'm having fun. Today's buckets are full. Cover the nest and prepare to go back. Home. Come back tomorrow. Can't hold it anymore. So handsome, these 3 flowers.